Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you this app known as EFSANE. I've talked about it before, and I'm going to show you how everything works. On this website you can make extra income for free, and of course there is a promotion going on that all new users get 12 US dollar for free. That is, you'll be given a coin known as EFS that worth $12. So if you are new, you haven't registered, or you don't have an account of FSN or on FSN website, go to the description of this video, tap on register. Then after registration, you have to sign in for your account to be active, or for your account to start uh, getting airdrops and also earning more. So guys, I'm going to take you through how everything works, how the dashboard looks like, and everything that you need to know. Okay, so the first thing is the link you need. So you tap on the link, then it will direct you to a page where you're supposed to register. So after registration, you log into your account, of course. Then you'll see something like this: personal center, then we have spot account, then application transfer, then we have task center, invitation reward, system notification, change password, and also account security. Okay, so all these things have their have functions or different features that they perform. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is personal center. So personal center is whereby you can see your account, and okay, you can sign in every day. So this is where you'll be uh logging in every day to sign in to get more rewards. So the first thing is you're gonna tap on personal center. So let me tap on it. If you tap on personal center, you'll be able to see this thing written my games. So that is, and under it we have sign in. So you can see I've signed in for today. So you have to come back after every 24 hours to sign into your account for more games. And these games you can change them into EFS coin. That one EFS coin is $3. So it will be launched soon, and only 28 days left for it to be launched on BCA, yeah, Binance Chain. Let me say so. So guys, join. It's free to join. This one you don't need to pay anything. So you'll be rewarded games and Ruby coin too. So after signing in, you have to come back to this button here, guys. You can click on this thing here to go back to the dashboard. If you tap on it, you'll be able to see something after you'll see spot account after personal center. Tap on it for you to see the balance that you're having. You can see my balance is $43.15. So you can see options, different options like with deposit, withdrawal, transfer, and flash swap. So deposit is where you can deposit different coins or even USDT. Withdrawal is where you can withdraw your earnings, and transfer is where you can transfer to other accounts, so long as the person is having a FSN account, or you are transferring to a FSN account. Okay, then flash swap is where you can exchange the coin to the other. Okay, you can exchange one coin to the other. If you want to exchange SHIB, you can exchange it when you tap on this flash swap. So one thing that many people have been asking me is this FSN. You can see I have it with me here, guys. It is still frozen. It is still frozen. You know why? This is it here. You can see it right here. I have EFSN, EFS. It is frozen, and one is worth $3. You can see that here. One EFS is $3, and I have 13 of them, so that is $39. And guys, as you sign in every day, you'll be earning more games. So these are the games. So these games, you can exchange them to EFS coin and wait for the coin to be launched. Of course, this EFS coin is a coin for this app or website, just like Binance coin. Binance coin is for Binance app, right? So the same as this EFS, it's for EFSN app. So once the developers will get ready with the app, or once the app will be done, they'll also go ahead and exchange list the coin. So after it has been listed, you'll be able to flash swap it or sell it to USDT so that you can get your cash. Okay, so at the same time you'll be earning Ruby as you move, as you sign in every day, and also you'll be able to get other airdrops. Like now there is an airdrop that is about to be distributed soon, that is bonk. So all users are eligible, like all users will get the airdrop so long as you sign into your account every day on a daily basis. You will be able to get the airdrop. Okay, as well you can change them into PyHY. You see, this coin is so good. By the way, let me tell you something. You see, I just exchanged this. I swapped it yesterday. First, I was having $1.87 here, guys, of USDT. Then I exchange them to this coin right here, PHY. This coin is only listed here and Mex app. That is where you can exchange this app, or you can exchange it to USDT or Bitcoin or other coins, only on these two platforms, on EFSANE or Mex app. So yesterday I exchanged this US 1.87 USDT into PHY. Then I waited for price to go up. It was that time it was 1.39, and then yesterday the time I exchanged it to USDT, it was 2.13. So I would have waited, and the same, it still made me it made me a profit of $1 point something, I think 0.8. So imagine if I bought it when it was first launched. Imagine this coin was 0.1 USDT. When it was launched, the price was 0.1, and right now it is 2.36. So imagine those people who bought it when it was 0.1 and can sell it now. So it's a matter of patience, it's a matter of determination. Like, you have to be patient with yourself, you have to be determined, and you have to know what you're doing. So that is what crypto is all about. So imagine, guys, get this. If you can get this for free, EFS for free, for the first time after registration, you're going to be given EFS coin worth $12. So make sure you join immediately after watching this video. Join. Get the free $12. Wait for the coin to be listed. Then continue signing every day to get more games and game cash, so that you can exchange to different coins or even USDT for more profit. So that is what you need to know. We also have other features that have been added up recently. If you go to application center, what do we have there? We have all these things which have been added recently. So make sure you tap on this WhatsApp, tap on the WhatsApp to join the community for more updates and information. Okay, so we have different things that have been added, different features. So if you go to tax center, you'll be able to see all these things that you're supposed to do on a daily basis. You can see daily checking in. You can also invite your friends. You can invite your friends right here. You can make a team. You can see I have a big team, guys. I have a big team. So you too, you can make your own team. It is free. So why not share with your enemies? Why not share with your friends? Why not even your family? Share with them. Make this money together. So guys, that is it I wanted to share on this video. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.